Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious kiwi wine at home. First, gather your essential ingredients: about 5 pounds of ripe kiwi fruit, 2 pounds of sugar, and 1 gallon of water. You will also need wine yeast and yeast nutrient. It is absolutely crucial to sanitize all your winemaking equipment thoroughly before you begin. Then, peel and mash your kiwi fruit to extract all those wonderful juices, preparing them for the next step in our winemaking journey. Now, let's prepare the must for fermentation. Combine your mashed kiwi with the 2 pounds of sugar and 1 gallon of water in your primary fermenter. Stir well until the sugar is fully dissolved. Next, add 1 teaspoon of yeast nutrient and 1/2 teaspoon of pectic enzyme. This helps prevent haziness. Finally, check and adjust the must's acidity to a pH level between 3.2 and 3.5 for optimal yeast activity and flavor. With your must prepared, it is time to begin fermentation. Once the must has cooled to room temperature, pitch 1 packet of your chosen wine yeast. Stir it in gently. Allow the primary fermentation to proceed for about 5 to 7 days, stirring the mixture once daily. After this initial period, carefully transfer the wine to a secondary fermenter, leaving any sediment behind. This secondary fermentation will continue for approximately 3 to 4 weeks. The final exciting steps involve bottling and aging your homemade kiwi wine. Once the wine is clear and fermentation is complete, carefully racket off any remaining sediment into clean, sanitized bottles. Be sure to fill them to the correct level. Securely cork or cap each bottle to prevent any air from entering. For the best flavor development, age your kiwi wine for at least 6 months, or even longer, before enjoying your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.